Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is getting out. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 new models are confirmed and the release date in Korea is also confirmed, but it is different than we were expecting before. Meanwhile, a new leak of a wider outer display is also surfaced online. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. Now the previous release date that we were expecting on 10th of August 2022, but now according to Anthony on Twitter, Samsung is going to start pre-orders for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 on August 16 and pre-opening will start on 23rd of August and goes on sale on August 26th. Now we can expect Samsung will start pre-orders the day they launch the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and these dates are from Korea, so maybe different for other countries. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, are you guys going to update from Z Fold 3 to Z Fold 4 or still waiting? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 1TB version surfaced on Korean news, where IC Universe stated that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 1TB version is still there, at least in Korea, and with the name SM-F936N1T, which is for TB storage and 00, and the other models are 512 gigs with a different code names. Now we should notice that the 256 gigs of version is also available as a base model. According to rumors, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to get a wider outer display and the specs of those display will be 2048 into 790p pixels resolution. The aspect ratio will be 23:9 for the outer display, and this was already confirmed by IC Universe in his previous tweets. This is due to the new hinge design where the area of the hinge is decreased, and this also affects the crease on Z Fold 4 as I already talked in my previous video. You can also check that video on my channel. Meanwhile, Samsung is going to announce a mass production for its new 3nm chipset. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to come with the same 4400 mAh battery but with the more optimized processor to last longer than the Z Fold 3 and comes with 25W of fast charger, no fancy 45W of fast charging like S22 Ultra. And honestly, Samsung 25W of fast charging works pretty well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to come with 3 colors, Phantom Black, Green and Beige, and will also come with only 12 gigs of RAM, no 16 gigs here. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, are you guys going to update from Z Fold 3 to Z Fold 4 or still waiting? I'll see you next time, till then, peace out!